Right, today's job. I'm knocking a few coatings off there, put lead on there and then rebed them back on. But it's canny eye. So, not the best scaffold, so hopefully we can reach, pop them off and roll the lead on. Coatings are just popping off. Loose, that's mint. And I'm going to put the lead on there. What's that? You'll see in a minute. We've got a video. That was a bit wobbly like, the health and safety. Oh, it's looking alright. Well, silicone underneath here. Keep that flagged on. I'm going to put a mortar bed on there. Put the stones back on top. I'm not a lead man. I'm a bricklayer, but I think that's about it, to be honest. Another mix. And a bit of hand butter just to dry with it. Is that the dodgiest scaffold? Wow. Health and safety. Get it. Is the one that I can't go on those edges, isn't it? Not the last one though, is it? No. All right there.
Can I make you a drink?
No, I'm alright, thanks.
Are you sure?
I'm definitely. No, honestly, we're alright, thanks.
Are you sure?
Aye, definitely.
There was no if you want to take a sandwich or a...
No, it's nice to be offered, but we're definitely alright. Right, thank you very much. Thanks. I will do, thank you. Not very often that happens. Bait and sarnies offers bait and sarnies. Yeah. Potato root. You can't really level these because didn't have the cameras picking up, but they're all shapes. Good. Get all the edges of that one. Happy with that? Happy with that. All done. Job's a good one.